All right, now what to do with it? That's where Scott Bauer comes in. He's CEO of Prosper Trading Academy. Scott, you buying JP into the report? Tell me what you're doing.
Yeah, I'm buying a calendar spread, a call upside calendar spread, Oliver. And for all of the reasons that you guys just talked about, and that was a great conversation. Fundamentally, and you look at the analytics and you look at the technicals, everybody's expecting the worst, right? I think that sets us up for a grind higher. I really do. And what the option market is showing me right here is the option market is really not so concerned because volatility is not very expensive here. In fact, if you look on the Thinkorswim platform and you go down, there's an area you can look at option statistics, which is great. You can find that implied volatility is at like the 21% ranking, means it's very cheap. So what I'm looking to do is actually capture buying cheap volatility, and I think the worst is out there. Everybody's expecting the worst. So this 110 call calendar spread, what that means, I'm selling next week, so the April 18th 110 strike call, basically to finance the purchase of going out a month from now and buying the May 17th 110 call, because I truly think we're going to see a slow grind up. I think for all of the reasons that you guys just discussed, the lack of trading revenues and obviously interest rates being where they are, I love the opposite side of that because JP Morgan has hung in there. Look at that stock. If you take out the period of the Christmas massacre, look where this stock has been in the face of all the negativity for the banking stocks.
Yeah, all right. So it hasn't, it's not sitting at the lows. But, I was just talking with Jeff, too, though. I mean, it's such a linked trade between all these different companies. All the, call them the old school bulge bracket banks are trading like one, with the exception of, Goldman, which is underperforming. Why not just, get an ETF or something if you want exposure to financials, Scott? Why the specific company angle? Is that just because the volatility that you're talking about is cheap right now?
Yeah, two reasons. A, the volatility is extremely cheap. So this is as much of a directional play to the upside for a slow grind as it is a volatility or premium play in the options. Number two, JP is best in class here. If I'm going to do something in the financial sector here, I want to go with best in class. Yeah. So that's why I'm sticking with this one.
All right, you got it. Scott Bauer, love it. Giving us a compliment to the fundamental discussion. Scott, we will catch up soon. I know. Mr. Bauer is the CEO of the Prosper Trading Academy. Come to us from the SIBO. We'll be right back.